tea. Oh, Lemia.
Oh, you're not drinking that, are you? Oh, it's dirty. Dirty, dirty.
Tea. Hang on.
Come here.
Come on. Come to bed. Come on. Come on, let's get you dressed. Here's your pyjamas on. Sit. You're sitting on potty? Potty. Potty. Are you sitting on the potty? Potty. Potty. And, come on, I want to put your pyjamas on. Pig. Pardon? Pig. What? Come on, I'll get you ready.
What? What?
Is it here? Oh, look. A token. Come on. Oh, look. Camels. One camel.
What? Where's Goo Goo? Go and find Goo Goo. There he is, look. There's Goo Goo. Are you going back in your house? There she is.
Mama. 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 Heidi.
Heidi. Hello. That's a good girl.
That is totally unrealistic.
Come on now.
Go and take it to Grandma.
Quick.
Quick.
Come on there, quick. Come on, Cocky. Quick. Quick. There's it. Come on, please. Come on, let's do your bum. Come on, sweetheart. Oh, is that nice? Wings. Very. Shall we put them on Daisy? Oh, please. For Grandma. Put it on 1 minute. Oh, and your wand. Where's your wand? Where's the wand, Grandad? Put your wand on. Where's your wand go? Here. Show Grandad. Show Grandad your wand. Oh, where's the wand, Grandad? Quick. See? Here. There. Shake it. Magic. Magic. Look at Grandad. Show Grandad. Where's Grandad? Where's your wand? See? See? Show him your wand. What? What? Do you not want them wings on? Magic. 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 Look, wriggle, wriggle. Pig, pig. Pig, pig. Pig, pig. Has it fell over? Where is it? Moco. Where's the moco? Oh, I'll get the pig, pig. Come here, let me get it. No, I'll get it. Oh, here. Oh, there he is, Piggy. Moco. Piggy wiggy. Diggy. Piggy wiggy. Hang on. Uh-oh. What you have to know? Hang on. Where is it? Oh, I'll get it. Grandma get it. Mind. Let Grandma get it. Mind there, on that table. Yeah, Grandma get it. Here it is. Oh, it's a donkey. It's Eat-oh. Eat-oh, eat-oh, eat-oh. You're putting them back. Put them back in your box. Huh? Yeah? Oh, is it a moo cow? Huh? Is it moo cow? What's Grandad doing? Huh? Go and shake your magic wand, Daddy. Show Grandad your wand. Look, Grandad. Wand.
Oh.
Magic wand, isn't it? Eh? Is it magic? Eh?
What you got there?
Moo cow.
Moo cow. And who else have you got?
Tree.
Tree? Oh. Anybody else?
Big.
Pig Pig. What does Pig Pig do?
Oh, they all fell out,
Pig.
aren't they? Where's Piggy? I can see him, Piggy Wiggy.
Mitten.
Can you see it? Yeah, Piggy Wiggy.
Pig.
Pig Pig.
Pig. Pig. Pig. Pig. Pig. Pig. Pig.
Piggy Wiggy. You put it in your box. Woo! Piggy Wiggy.
Pig. Pig.
Pig Pig.
Wait.
Pig Pig.
Pig.
What?
Dum.
Who's thrown them on the floor? Where are they?
Yeah.
Go and get them.
No.
Why?
No.
Why not? Go and pick them up. Where's your wings? Go and tell Grandma, take them off.
Come here, Cocky. We take them off. Come here, Cocky. I'll take them off for you. Let's take them off, your wings. Here we are. One arm. One. And another one. Two. There we go. There's your wings.
Grandma.
What?
Grandma.
What? Shall I put them on? Grandma put wings on. Watch. Grandma put wings on. Don't think they'll fit Grandma. Do you look?
Moo cow.
See?
Dead.
We put them back in the bag. Do for next year for you then, won't they? Eh? Put in your bag. Where's your wand? Don't rip it. Where's your wand? Put your wand in. Get your wand for me there. Get your wand. Put in bag. Good girl.
Bag.
Put it in the bag. That's a good girl. Ta. Thank you. Put in there with your wings. There we are.
Stop it.
There we go. Put them down there now.
Stop it.
Right. Where's our animals? Where's our animal? Where's your dish with Minnie Mouse on? Where's that dish there? Get your dish. Get your new dish. For your din-dins. Who's in there? Who's in there? Show me. Show me who's in it. Who is it? Who is it? Who is it?
Min Pete.
Oh, it's Minnie Mouse.
Pete.
Should we have it as a hat?
Pete.
There you are. Hat.
Pete.
It's not Pete, it's Minnie. Minnie Mouse.
Minnie.
Minnie.
Pete. Pete.
Pete? Oh, Pete do you want? Where's Pete? Yeah, put him in. Stand him up on there. Put him in there.
Can I look at Pete?
See? Show it, Grandad.
Show-
Stand up, Pete. There you go.
Show me.
Oh. Oh.
Oh.
Oh, has he fell over? Has he fell over? Let's have a look. There he is. Oh, he fell over again. Look, you have to be careful like that. Show it, Grandad. Look, Grandad. Oh, stand up, Pete. Look, Pete. Look, Grandad.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh. Oh, Pete. Where's he going now, Pete? Eh? Oh. down here. Eh? There you go. Put him back. Oh, no. Don't throw them, Daisy. Don't throw them at the glass anyway, because it'll break. Won't it? It'll break. Yes, it will. Yes. 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 Yes.
Minnie.
Oh? Yeah, put him on here. Put him on here. Put your dish on there. See? Oh, Donald, duck, duck. Donald, duck, duck.
No.
Pete's there. Pete's there. And
Double.
oh, there's sheep. What, sweetheart?
Oh,
What have you got in your mouth now?
just a bit of bread.
It's the tongue marks on the finger, what?
Oh, trains. Chuggington.
Sit down a minute. What are we after about? What do you want, sweetie? Choo-choo train.
Chuggington, weekdays at 7:35 on CBeebies.
Chuggington.
Is anybody hungry? The morning's almost gone, it's been a busy day.
That's on there. What's that been? Is it one of this?
No, it's one of those under there.
Yeah.
Let me chop that.
And if you sniff the air, you might just catch a
That CD, I will not ruin it now that day.
and it smells good. It's time for lunch.
Oh, we've got some potato cakes, haven't we?
Mashed potatoes, washed
Yeah, you can have a couple of them if you've had a couple last night. Yeah.
spaghetti,
Do you want a brew, what?
oranges and greens.
There's a brew.
Holy guacamole, hot tamale, aye. Poppadoms with spicy prawns and lots of yellow rice. Chicken salad, lemonade, applesauce and fish.
Took our cups into the kitchen, you know, to the sink to that lady.
Yeah.
A minute, they just went in roll, come out.
Oh, bloody hell.
They weren't washed. That's where we get our germs from there, isn't it?
Yeah.
I just put them in and she pulled it out straight away. I took water. No soaping and nothing. Was she telling you about her sister again?
Yeah.
They just want to go though, they hold everybody up, don't they?
Oh no, you've got to have a kiss and.
A dollop of jam. And afterwards, to fill up my belly, I think I'll eat a wobbly jelly.
Wobbly jelly.
But what treat would Buttons like to eat? I think that will be Buttons' favourite dish. Do you know why I'm speaking in rhyme? Because it's Balamori time.
Balamori.
Oh, what's the story of Balamori? Is she eating it alright, what?
Yeah. Wouldn't you like to know? No.
She misses a lot, doesn't she?
Yeah. Huh?
Painting place. Hello.
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 Don't I? What's your name? Oh, yes, I remember now. So, what's the story in the
Quick.
Well, today, Barrymore, it feels quite warm because it's sunny. And everyone here is busy going to work and school.
Ballamore.
She's hungry that baby now.
Mm.
Chicken nuggets, today, aren't they? They're leaving all that. Right?
Mm.
Here's the school bus. I wonder who comes to Barrymore next. Here's Kira. Hello, Kira. And who else, I wonder? And you, joining the fun too. Everybody, everyone, come inside and join the fun. Painting, splodging, splashing, dancing, bobbing, building, make your favourite thing. Everybody, everyone, come inside and join the fun. Singing,
Oh, Tom.
swimming,
What are you going to have?
dressing up, playing games,
I don't know,
making
yeah.
favourite thing. Everybody,
This is just going on now with Mrs.
come
Rothwell.
inside and
Read it.
join the fun.
She's recovered, hasn't she, God?
Yeah, she has. No.
A lot of them just ignore the kids, don't they?
No, yeah.
Hello. What's this? Can you see on that there?
I don't know.
Couple of slices there.
They're alright, I smell.
Smells alright.
Yeah, I might have it in an omelette in a minute.
So it's not done, is it?
Mm.
Right, put my taste.
It is, isn't it? My friend Jenny sent it to me. It's a souvenir trip to London and I went to see it. Oh, that's nice. It is, isn't it? I was thinking I should send her something too, so she could remember her holiday in Ballamore. Well, we've lots of postcards in the shop with pictures of Ballamore on the front. Postcards are good. Like what? I don't know. I'm terrible at picking presents, Penny.
You're lying there, trying.
It
I'm doing it.
is.
Do you think she'd be able to pick something out for my friend? Oh, yeah, I don't see why not. I'll ask her.
Yeah.
Oh, would you, Penny? That'd be good.
Mickey.
You
Mickey.
don't like it to tots and toddlers today? Very good.
So,
Eh?
I don't
Cookie?
know which colour's house.
Tots and toddlers?
Splash today.
Baby.
Yeah, you had a big bit there, didn't you? She ate it all, you know, that biscuit.
Did she?
Yeah, just keep giving it while we're out flowing.
Well, it's part of the story in Ballamore,
More.
which is the house for me. Is it orange? Is it red? Or should we call it a
The
blue
six
house?
little yellow roses out here, bought and 2 pink ones.
Oh, I spilt on you. On your thing. On your white thing.
Yellow, red, blue house or pink? Green house, white house. Tell me, what do you think?
It makes you They've got enough of them, haven't they?
Oh, yeah.
They've got some other clothes in. Did you hear this? They were all wet, you know. Plus, she's been on for 2 days, and why has she not got any clothes dry for Daisy? Work it out. From Wednesday, Thursday to Friday, she comes here with wet clothes for her.
That's where I live.
Was she off yesterday, Ellie?
Well, she went home from here, didn't she?
No,
1
she
o'clock.
did. She had a-
She had all Wednesday off,
Yeah.
and Daisy's clothes are down.
So I see. Oh, another one. All the time you go. I've got a job for you. A job? Yes. Who do you need to
Well, what, were it low?
Yeah, number 1.
Hmm.
Pale. Yeah, can't believe it.
chocolates?
Hello? Is there a little baby here?
Sunday's back with her after something like that.
Yeah.
That's for tomorrow. Wow, nothing here, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the top I put on Tuesday when she didn't have any clothes.
No postcards.
Huh?
Miss Wee says she wants something a little more special. Now let's see.
That pudding has she got?
Got some yogurts, I think.
3 rolls of things.
11th.
How's
It's a date
about
today.
Mm.
Yeah, we can't go.
Yeah.
Really super colours, are they? No, I don't suppose they are. I don't know. I'll go to the store room and see what they find. And up, 2, 3, 4, and up, 2, 3, 4. Breathe.
You want to put the bacon in the pan right about and that yet?
Oh, Perry, could you help me? Stop.
No, I'll have it on the Foreman, Judge Foreman,
Get something to my friend.
on that little one. You can stick it on there for me.
Yes. She visited Ballamore a few weeks ago.
Yeah, I want it really crisp. That it's.
Yeah. And yeah,
You can,
that's exactly what I want. Sorry, Josie. More souvenirs?
Ta?
Oh, yes, we are. Huh?
we'll get it on now.
What? Our Ballamore souvenirs. That's what there's nothing on it.
I do think we need some of these cups and sauces in
Well, we'll have a move on them after.
Not a souvenir to me.
dangerous.
Yeah.
Good morning.
It's a Ballamore event.
Right, they've charges on.
Oh, no, don't do that. Come back this afternoon, and I'm sure we can find you a souvenir plate blend. Oh, all right then. I'll see you later.
What's the story about the movie? Wouldn't you like to know?
Where are we going to get souvenir plates from? I thought maybe you would know somewhere. No. Oh, no. What we're going to do? We're going to find a Ballamore souvenir plate. Why don't we make our own? We have the plate. We just need somebody to paint it. Who? Of course. Why don't we call Spencer?
That's my name. Ain't that busy? All my things. So many colors, so much fun. Making friends with everyone. I'm a little light, rushing and I just can't stop. It's so bright, make you little light go pop. Got colors I like on the back of my painter's bike. Who knows who we might meet riding down this rainbow tree? Climb up a musical ladder, rushing and I just can't stop. It's so bright, shining in the sunshine, everyone's so special. And the lights so much fun to make a little light go by. I got Emery, Susan, Captain,
Hold on.
Roger, and William,
Hold on.
and really just
Good girl. Hold on. Oh, good girl. Pud Pud now. Oh, what's he doing? Painting. She's eating up, Grandma.
Morning, all.
Oh, thanks for coming so quickly, Spencer. You see, we need your help.
Oh, so what's the story in Ballamore?
Well, Miss Healy wants to send a special gift to her
Huh?
friends in
What?
London, but she doesn't know what. Susie had lots of gift ideas, but none of the gifts were really souvenirs of Ballamore, which is what Miss Healy really wants.
What's the story in Ballamore, wouldn't you like to know?
So, when Josie Junk came looking for a souvenir too, we just knew we needed help to find them something special. Susie found a plate made right here in Ballamore. The only trouble is that it's white and needs some serious jazzing up.
Ah,
Well, that's where I come in.
Yes. We thought maybe you could paint a picture of it to remind Josie's friend of her trip to Ballamore.
Hang on a minute. I thought Spencer could paint a picture on this plate to remind Miss Ruby's friend about her trip to Ballamore.
Mommy.
Ballamore, Grandma.
You mean that you found her friend a present?
No,
Oh no!
I'm afraid no one's going to paint anything on that plate.
Oh no!
what we're going to do now?
Don't worry. I may not be able to fix your plate, but I think I can fix your problem.
You can't. Oh,
Peter the Potter.
picture of the water.
Yes, Peter the Potter who made that plate. So I'm sure he can make you 2 new plates.
One for Josie and one for Miss Louise.
Sure, why not?
Why don't we buy more?
Mommy.
Why don't we buy 10 or 20? So that we can sell them to everybody else. What a
The Dumbo.
Mommy.
No, I can't.
That one, yes, Spencer?
I'll be over there right away. Yeah.
Yeah, good luck.
Huh?
Hey, Peter. Hey, listen, a big favor to ask. You make me a few plates just like the ones over there.
Bubble.
Thanks.
Bubble.
I've never seen a plate made.
Mommy.
Well, what's the story in Ballamore, wouldn't you like to know?
That is brilliant. And excellent. You know, these are going to make great souvenirs. And I can't wait for the children to paint them.
A plate for Miss Louise's friend, Jane.
And a plate for Josie's friend, Sharon.
And thanks, we can sell in the shop.
Now all I have to do is
Okay,
get the plate,
Mama.
paint it with pictures of Ballamore.
Mama.
See you out, right?
Bye.
You couldn't go in a minute now. Go and see Grandma.
Hey guys, I've got an idea. Let's paint a picture of Ballamore's beach for souvenir. Yeah? Yeah, let's get painting. All right, let's get these plates out. And there you go. And there you go. David, here you go. Now, you all put up. Now we're gonna paint the seashore. So let's do that. Do that. I'm gonna do one too. Let's see how good we do. Okay. So let's get painting.
Yes, yes, yes.
Duck. Duck.
Duck? That's one. I think. Yeah. All gone nearly. She's eating it all up, this baby.
Grandma.
Do you want to go and see your grandma? Hang on, last one. Hurry up. Good girl.
So, what was the story in Ballymoley today?
Do you want to come out?
Well,
No.
I asked Penny if she could think of a gift
No?
to send my friend Jenny to remind her of her holiday in Ballymoley. There were no souvenirs in the shop, so Susie thought of a few other things to give her, but they weren't really souvenirs of Ballymoley. Penny then had an idea to paint a colourful picture of Ballymoley on a plate, to make it a souvenir plate. Spencer agreed to paint the picture, but Susie and Penny smashed the plate before Spencer could paint it. Then it was Spencer's turn to have a bright idea. He went to his friend Peter the Potter and asked him
Peter
to
the
make
Potter?
souvenir plates for him and the children to paint. In fact, I liked it so much, I bought one for myself. So that's 2 souvenirs I have now. One of the trip to London and one of a lovely day in Ballymoley. I'll just pop these safely into the cupboard. So, that was the story in Ballymoley today.
Right.
See you next time.
No. No. Christmas! Say Christmas! Is Santa coming to see you? Father Christmas?
Grandma.
Santa?
Grandma.
Don't you come out?
Grandma.
No, not come out. One, two, and a jolly good. 3.
4. Got the blower on, I think, haven't you, Bart?
It's Friday and it's birthday
With the red there.
time. Happy birthday with your birthday
Yeah.
today.
What are you doing? Are you doing ring the ring roses? Ring the roses, pocket all the roses. Yes, you, we all fall out. What am I got to do it? Let's do ring the ring roses, please. Ring the roses, what's going? Pocket all the roses. Tissue, we all fall down.
Again.
Roses, pocket full of roses, the tissue, we all fall
Daisy do.
down.
Ring a roses.
Roses, pocket full of roses, the tissue. What are you looking at?
Google.
You do.
happening here?
Don't throw it.
Don't
You're not
throw
going
it.
to throw it, are you?
Hey!
Hey! You're not to throw. No. Don't throw that. No. Hat.
Mom,
I'll show Granddaddy's potty. Eh? What you've got?
Thank you.
Have you not seen that dish with that?
oh, Sanu. You haven't picked them all up. Don't throw them away again, will you? When she look, she. Don't throw them away, will you? Are you listening? Pick them up now. Pick them all up.
Show your mum your dish. Daisy.
Yeah.
Show your mum that dish. Oi, Boo Boo. Show your mum the dish. Come on, show him. Oh, look who's in it? Who's in there?
Who's there?
Who is it?
Who is it?
Who is it?
That's a cat case, that's all. More interesting. Listen, who's this? Who's that?
Probably nearly there.
Ooh. Well, are them carrots? Oh no, they're not. The tomatoes, those, aren't they?
Right, we're ready for
Tomatoes.
it.
Them are peas. Put that on there. Oh. Mind your toes, don't drop them on your toes. Where else? Come on over
That's
here.
the best place to be.
Come on over here. Tomatoes, haven't you? Got some, have you got some tomatoes? Eh? Yeah.
2,
one there.
3.
One there. Yeah. Can you get up? Yeah. Now what, don't drop that down there. That's it. Oh, that's good, isn't it? Does that taste good? Yeah. Oh, tin of peas and a tin of tomatoes. Is that good? Oh.
What?
Look,
Oh, yeah, them are good, aren't they?
yeah.
Eh?
Yeah, they are, aren't they?
Hello. Hello.
Oh, careful.
Go on.
Cheese again, cheese. Again. Say cheese. Ready, go. Cheese. Again. Wait, does it put a light on? No, mummy. Say cheese. That's the camera.
likes it.
Ready?
Oh, look at all them. Whee! Hey, that's good. Look at all them, Daisy. Oh, be careful.
That bag. You would pick the bag up so you don't fall.
Look, Daisy.
Well done. Look at that one. Oh, nice.
Oh, get it!
She puts her face on it.
She eats it.
Get in your hair. Get in your eye.
Ready?
She'll go chasing that one. Daisy! Daisy, look, 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 look.
Oh, look at them.
You blow it.
Ready? 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 Big one. Have to get a couple more of these, isn't it?
Well, we catch it a couple, like we've got two.
Get a couple more.
She blows. Splash. Did it splash?
In a bath tonight, Dave. Get it? Oh, life a ride.
This is everything telling Matthew.
The way we came,